Okay, good morning, everybody. Getting just a little bit later start this morning. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Welcome, everybody. I hope you had a good evening. So here's yesterday's charts. Got into some early trouble on a call trade that never came back, but worked my butt off to make trades after the session. We stayed live. Well, until half of the afternoon, but had some great trades after 11 o'clock and got back to within 20 cents of what it was. So I consider it very much a big success yesterday. Learned some lessons yesterday. One, just leaving way too much money on the table. There's a lot of other trades that we can be taking, and I'm going to do my best to start calling out more of those trades as we go through the morning. Anyway, let me let Michael in. Q ended up at 705.94 and it's currently sitting at 699.10. Not quite a gap play, almost. We'll keep an eye on it in case this comes down any further. Let's go forward and let's let Marie in. Put that down there. We are in the 19th and we've got 1.592 million traded in the pre-market volume. And let me recenter my option chain here. There we go. And we will wait till we get this pre-market volume in. You can see that the option, if you're looking at an option chain, you will see that they are out of balance right now in terms of pricing on the strike. So we'll wait till we get this pre-market volume built into the strikes before we decide what strikes we're going to take. I see Keith has unmuted his mic, so I'm going to say good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. And we're actually getting close to a fill the gap thing, so we'll keep an eye on that as we get closer to the open.
Mhm.
I had only two trades yesterday, up $1.24 yesterday, so a good day for me. This morning we had the ADP numbers, employment change come out, which was up quite a bit for the since the last report. We had the Red Book Index year over year come out slightly lower than last reported. And we will have pending home sale numbers coming out at 10 o'clock. So we certainly could see a pop at 10 o'clock today on that. Again, the further we get into the week too, we may start seeing a little bit lower volume out as we head toward the Memorial Day weekend here on this. I will be continuing to trade the June monthly expirations, which expire on the 18th of June on any new trades. And I think that's about all I have here today. I did not do any other trades after we got off yesterday. I was busy doing other things out in my shop.
As you should be.
Yes.
This isn't designed to be at it all day. So
No.
we hopefully get in, make our money in that hour and a half, and go out and live our lives. So price is currently rising, so it doesn't look like we're going to have a gap play just yet. We've got a little less than a minute. Are we off next Monday, Keith? You
Yes.
know?
Yeah. Memorial Day is Monday. We're off
Yeah.
on Monday. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So we will be dark on Monday. And just a reminder to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on your charts. So we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. And we got less than 30 seconds before we start. Got a good crowd in this morning. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the room and being here. There's 15 seconds. There's 10. All right, stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. And we got price rising. Charts. Got our 1 minute MACD is in the call bias position. Not surprising. 5 minute MACD is curling up and may get there. Wow,
It's quite an opposite move heading up there.
no kidding. All right, broader indices. The Dow is down by 235, Nas is down by 131, S&P is down by 32. So the broader markets are showing we're in the red, but nobody told QQQ that, so it's rising. So on the option chain, I'll be at the 698 on the call side, and I've got to readjust my option chain to see where I'll be on the put side. Put side will be the 706 for now, and price is continuing to rise. That's starting to come down now. Well, it was. Price trying to rise some more. There it goes. Sorry, had to take a quick call, having some repairs done on a garage door. Always fun. It's always something. So we may have reached a top here. I'm going to keep an eye on the put side on the 706 on the put side. Stand by on the 706 on the put side. All right, it's reversing back up again. All right, price reverse is heading back up again. Had quite a bit of sell-off yesterday. Not surprising to see price rising this morning.
Yeah, but still, it's surprising it's rising after the fall, although again, could be market maker shenanigans.
Yep.
Put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle,
Way down there.
way down there.
All right, still looking at where's my mouse? 707 on the put side. Still has some topside movement to go. I move the 708 on the put side just in case this starts to fall. Starting to get some curl over on our 1 minute MACD. Okay, looking at the 707 on the put side, stand by. I'm going to enter the 707 and it passed me by. I'm going to try again. There we
Looking
go.
at the 17 or excuse me, the 705 on the put side.
All right, got in at 490.
Keeps passing me by.
All right, stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit. All right, out at 560, 490 to 560.
Yeah, I just couldn't get into that. Let me try this one more time here. Come on, Phil. No, pass me by again.
Hmm.
Wow, that's a shame.
Yeah. So we did end up getting most of that.
Like I did get into that at 1821.
Okay.
Again, that's a 705 put for June 18th expiration.
All right, I'm going to go to the 706 again. The put, see if this continues down. It's kind of turning around at VWAP here a little bit. Seven oh six, 705. I'm going to move to the 705 on the put side. Price bouncing all around here, trying to decide which direction it's going to go. Looking at the 705 on the put side.
It did put it put a supply zone at the top there.
Okay. Yep. Let's go ahead and get one of those put in. Okay. I'm going to get into the 705 again. And that didn't pass me by.
Come on, get back down there. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this. I don't like where it's going.
Yeah, I hear you.
Trying to get out. Come on. Drives me crazy when it does a quick turnaround like that.
I know. Come on back down.
Yeah, I'm still in it. See what it's gonna do here.
It's going to hold still. What's going on? Is yours for? Oh, there it goes. Oh,
Mine was too, so it must have been site wide.
yeah.
You
Come on.
in a put here?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mhm. Get back down below VWAP. Oh, come on, get back down there. Just want to smack them market makers.
I know. Come on, get down there.
We're going to move that demand zone up to a real demand zone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just going through consolidation right now. Come on down.
About 4 minutes till the pop at the top.
Okay.
Which put are you in, Tim?
I'm in the 705 put.
705. And where are you in it?
558.
I have some questions about that really bad trade that you did yesterday, but I don't have to ask them right now. I can ask you later
Okay.
because something might happen here.
Come on down through VBOP. There we go.
These are pretty decent sized movements today, are they not?
Yeah,
Quick,
yes, indeed.
too quick maybe,
Yep.
but at least they're moving. You look at that five chart, and it almost looks like a Fed day too.
Excuse me 1 second.
Got 2 minutes till the pop.
Okay, I'm back. Come on down, come on down, come on down.
One minute to the pop.
Here comes the pop. And there's the pop. Getting some push down. Let's get through that demand zone.
Was it me?
No, it wasn't me. Somebody else in this house is trading.
Come on, get down through there and stay through there. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some profit if it gets down to my target number here. It's getting close. Not me.
Not me. 35.
Yeah, that was me. Okay, so I'm out.
Yeah.
Got in at 821 or 1821, out at 1881.
Okay. I'm still in. Sorry, I got to take this. It's still coming down, hopefully.
You still in that?
Yeah. Ah, come on down.
I'll be back in a few minutes, Tim.
Alrighty. Come on down. Just a little more. And taking profit. There we go. Out at 587, 558 to 587.
You never had it out, did you?
No, not at all, Larry.
No. This is what makes me crazy.
What's
To
that?
get out and then, I mean, maybe make 50 cents or so, but then have it go on another dollar, dollar and a half.
Yep.
It makes me insane. And I get a couple of quarters to rub together and I'm out,
Yeah.
but I don't bother looking at the charts to see if it's getting ready to turn or not. I just give me those quarters and I'm good.
Yep. Yep. I hear you. Trying to stay into these things longer. Didn't expect this one to go down as far and may get back into this. Going back to the 701 on the put side. 701 on the put side.
Wow. Down below yesterday's low.
Yeah.
Did I hear you say you got back into a put there, Tim?
No, I was looking to get back in,
Okay.
but it's stalling out here. We're just kind of stalling here. Anyway, Dow is down by 203, Nas down by 274, S&P down by 52. Got some reversal going on here. All right. Looking at the 701 on the put side.
Looking at the 700. Again, June 18th expiration.
Looks like we're just in a bit of consolidation right now. Still got our 5-minute MACD pointed way down. All right, we're continuing to head down now. So going to the 701 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to enter the 701.
700 for me.
All right, got filled. 483.
1799.
I'm going to take some profit here. Took some profit there. 521, 483 to 521. Going back to the 700 on the put side. 700. Got 3 trades up 135. Okay. Going to the 700 on the put side. I'm going to enter this 700 again. And it's 493. I'm probably going to get out of this. See if this comes down.
I'll try to get out of this, and I just did. And it's 17.99 out at 18.63.
Okay, sorry. I got out of that trade as well for a little bit of profit.
Well, that 1 minute MACD is definitely low there.
Yeah.
We've had four trades, Tim.
Yeah, four trades up 145.
I've had two trades up 124.
Reset my option chain here.
We had to move things around this morning.
Yeah, good volume up to 12,637,000 traded on the underlying. Dow still down by 135, Nas down by 340, S&P down by 57. Got price rising currently.
Well, we can actually move the demand zone down.
Hey, we can. Okay. 1 minute MACDs move to the call bias position, but may not stay there.
Just while I'm thinking about it, few of you may be wondering why I pick different strikes than Tim does, um, going out to the monthly expiration. And typically, the $5 boundaries have higher volume traded than, say, like the 705 will have a higher volume traded than the 703 or 4. So that's tend to way I try to stick to the higher volume ones. Have to pay a little bit more occasionally for it, but not that much more. It's about the same, if that makes sense.
That makes sense. I even understood it.
All right, all right,
That's good to know.
all right.
Price on the rise. I'm going to go over to the 694 on the call side in case this really starts taking off. I don't anticipate that it will because our overall bias is toward the put side today for sure.
It definitely strong to the put side.
Yeah. We've fallen below the $700 mark. So we've had some sell off the last 3 days.
Around 10 o'clock, plus or minus 5 minutes or so, we had definitely some volume less than 100,000, but other than that, it's all been well above 100,000. What was the pending home sales report that came out at 10 was better than anticipated, but slightly lower than last report. That was for April, the month to month, and then the year to year was up significantly more than last report.
Hmm. Okay.
We get a housing report numbers come out on Thursday before the market opens, and get some manufacturing numbers, PMI numbers coming out on Friday after the market opens. So
Okay.
we got for those.
Got price wanted to just dance along these demand zone. Yo, excuse me 1 minute. Be right back. Yeah, let's see, we're pretty much in the same place. God. Got price coming back down through the supply zone. So we're a little over an hour in. We got 14,328,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 144, Nas down 353, S&P down 61. Yeah, we're still in kind of an extended consolidation pattern right now. Yeah, price rising. Nothing really tradable at this moment. Got our 5-minute MACD starting to converge back to the control line. Price climbing a little bit here. All right. Price coming down. Let's head back over to the put side. Go to the 700 on the put side. This ends up getting through the demand zone.
I moved my demand zone down just a tad too.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. There. See if this is going to bounce back up off the demand zone or break through. And it's obviously breaking through.
Try to get in on this.
Yeah. Going to the 699 on the put side.
We got in on the 700. What the price? 1869.
A good year. Still looking at the 699 on the put side. It's going to go up a little bit before it comes down. Going to move to the 700 on the put side for when this eventually turns back down. Five-minute MACD is about to cross to the call side. Probably won't get there.
Come on, get down there.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised. I think this was going to pop up as high as this.
Turkey.
Yeah, indeed. Okay, folks, it is top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and wrap up our morning session here. Ended up 4 trades plus 148 this morning. And that's going to do it for me, probably for the day. I'm up nicely, so I'm not going to ruin it.
And I'm up 124, but I have this put trade open. I'll keep monitoring. So,
Okay. If it starts coming down, I probably will enter it, but it's got to start coming down.
yep,
And I
yep,
think it will. Uh,
yep,
just follow the overall bias of the morning. Anyway, that's it. We will see you all tomorrow morning. Have a great
yep.
afternoon, folks.
Thanks, Tim. Have a good day, everybody.
Thanks, Keith.